showing us. They're showing us. That looks sick.
Okay. Oh, what?
I know that man. Oh, damn.
Oh.
What the fuck?
I thought he was gonna throw the knife at him. That's cool too. Into the void anime.
Joey Bra,
Ash.
back with some more One Piece. Today we have episode. Which one we got? Ash, where are we at?
We are at
50.
We're at 7:59.
9. What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back. We got some One Piece. Last episode, we saw the Duke of the Day.
Ooh.
Duke Dogstorm, dude. He rolled up. We're kind of like seeing the destruction that Jack has done here.
We're like jag off, dude. Feeling like a shithead today.
Yeah, I could tell. When you want to start the episode with Too Short, I could tell you're feeling fucking like a shit.
Yeah.
Let's just see it, dude. We know Duke gets his ass whooped because he's like he recovering.
He's down bad.
He recovering.
Right
We need to see the cat Viper.
Mm-hmm.
We need to see Sanji's thing. We gotta see a lot. Let's just hop in. Too much talking, dude. Too much talking,
yapping.
Ash. Dude, humongous. 7-minute two. This was two. I remember the last episode was a 7-minute recap too. Damn, her outfit is wild, bro. She has it hanging out there.
You gotta. It's probably humid as hell, you know.
That's
it's
true.
hot, I'm sure.
Maybe it's for her if she has a devil fruit. It's easy transformation.
Ooh.
Oh, that sounded like a tongue twister in
That
Japanese.
was fucked up. Damn, there's a panda.
Is there a panda
Cool.
behind?
Can we just gang up on these dudes? Our electricity? Yo, what is this dude's problem? How many times did I gotta tell you?
Oh, it is a big panda.
I love that panda.
He's cute. Oh shit.
1v1
Yeah, really.
right now. Jag off. Beat him up braid his hair. What does that mean?
That's true. Search it. Don't fucking destroy it, dude.
Yeah.
Damn.
So typical. Didn't even try to brace for that, dude.
Damn, y'all thought he killed him that fast? No faith in Duke. Just think he's gonna die like that. What'd I tell you? Damn.
Okay. Break it. Break it. Take Jack's shoulder pads and beat him with it. Take off your belt and start whooping his ass with it. Scrub. He said 1 billion, huh?
1 billion. Yeah.
I thought he said 1 million.
Yeah, no, 1 billion. I was like, yeah. I think they lying though. I don't think that bitch a billion. Jack.
Dude, look for him.
If you don't have him,
Oh
it's
my
your
God.
fault. Just fight, bro. You gotta
hate
fight.
him.
Yeah, no
shit, dude.
Actually did something to him.
Okay. Do it again.
Dude,
All of
yeah,
you.
don't stop. Just keep going. Keep repeatedly doing it.
Why'd you act like it did then? Drama?
Drama.
I hate Jack so much.
God damn.
That's so goofy.
Oh shit. And they got rained on.
Is she not a musketeer?
I think she's part of the Musketeers, but not the three Musketeers. It was weird how they introduced. There's a three group of them, but she's one of the regular Musketeers. Your water's not gonna fuck him up. Damn, no, still they're alligators, dude. It's fucked up. Oh shit. It's time to switch over.
Oh.
Damn.
Ooh. The double wide cat. I can't
Double
wait.
wide. Show us.
Full of the night.
Damn. Probably would have had a good shot if we teamed up on him. Instead of going in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just like that. They're
Damn, dude.
gone under this fucking smoke.
Shit, he coming. I can't wait. Ooh, I can't wait. He's mad as hell,
Yeah.
too.
Oh shit.
Dude.
Oh yeah, he's a big
Oh.
boy.
Favorite. Favorite character in One Piece. Character design.
Design. Yeah. Damn, dude, he's just flying in there. Oh shit, is he gonna fucking throw him by the trunk? God damn.
See, sometimes you just need an ornery ass cat.
Yep.
Look him. Look. Put him in the dirt.
Put him in the dirt.
3 seconds. Damn, he looks so fucking cool. Damn, dude. That's so fucking cool. Now he's gonna clean himself?
Yeah. Oh shit, Jack. Jack is back. I guess so.
I've never seen an intro for someone
Yeah.
like that before.
Yeah, I guess. I thought they were just hyping him up. The ancient version, yeah. Oh, damn. That's
Fuck.
kind of fucking sick. The logistics of that sword, I don't know if it works good, but it looks cool.
They're like scythes.
Yeah.
Damn, the crew is here.
Oh yeah, it's our friend's home.
Okay, baby bangs.
I know the bangs are fucking ridiculous. How you gonna have a $1 billion bounty and have bangs? Those bangs, I should say.
Some call them $1 billion bangs.
$1 billion, true.
Billionberry bangs. Dude.
Damn.
Okay, so.
All right, Cat Viper.
I am completely obsessed with the Cat Viper.
Yeah.
Or Cat Viper. The Cat
The
Viper.
Cat Viper.
Completely obsessed. As soon as I saw that wide body, I said, that's it.
Yeah.
Who doesn't like a double wide cat? You know?
A unit.
Absolute unit.
Yeah, I mean, I would have to
came
agree.
in swinging, dude.
Yeah, I like his attitude. You know, Duke is pretty calm, pretty,
Mm-hmm.
you know, just chilling. I like him coming in, though, just fucking hard.
Mm-hmm.
You know? No talking. There was no words. We just fucking started swinging on this dude. Grabbed him by the trunk, flipped him over. That's all there is to it.
Mm-hmm. You know why I think I like him so much? My favorite show as a kid.
Mm-hmm.
SWAT Cats.
SWAT Cats. Yeah,
SWAT Cats was one of my favorite fucking
He's kind of out
shows
of SWAT Cats.
as
That's
a kid.
true.
And there's two in SWAT Cats, there's two main cats,
Mm-hmm.
and they're mechanics by day. At night,
Wait,
they're
are
SWAT
they
cats.
mechanics?
Yes.
I forgot that part. of it.
Yes.
That's kind of
dude.
awesome.
They're fucking mechanics. And
Hey.
one of them is like really skinny and like,
Yeah. Yeah. Someone
you know,
has to
and then
fix
the other
those
one is
cars.
like super wide and he's like bigger and he's kind of like bulkier.
Yeah, I know
like
the
he
bulk,
works
yeah.
out, you know?
Damn.
But that's why I like
Yeah, SWAT
Cat
Cats.
Viper so much because SWAT Cats. It's like I feel like no one ever talks about SWAT Cats. Everyone that was like
I'd like
born and raised in the 90s.
the 90s. Yeah, it's kind of a forgotten.
Yeah.
The
Same with
forgotten gem.
Gargoyles.
Gargoyles.
Dude.
I was more
That
of a
was my shit,
Gargoyles,
too.
but I did watch SWAT Cats. Those two are deeply underrated and like not talked about enough still.
Yeah. I know a lot of people like what's the shark one? I didn't like the shark one.
Oh, I didn't watch that either. I like Shark
It's
Head
like
or
Street Sharks.
Street
something like
Sharks.
that?
It was Street
Something
Sharks.
like that.
They were kind of badass too, though. But I didn't watch it. But I was way more Gargoyles. You were
Me
more
too.
SWAT
Me
Cats.
too.
And yeah, the Sharks. I don't know. They were okay.
They were fine. They were doing their
They
own
were
things,
doing their
but
own
SWAT
thing.
Cats, that was
That is your thing.
and that's
I
my
know.
reason why I love Cat Viper so much.
Yeah, he's just sick. He's white as fuck. Jack sucks. One of
He
our
really does
yeah,
suck so
but
bad.
truly, not to be fucked with to be to have $1 billion bounty. I got to be honest. That is, without a doubt, some of the highest numbers we've seen.
Yeah, he's
like without a doubt.
he's quite the dickhead.
Yeah, I'm guessing only like emperors are really up there with that, you know. And he's in Kaido's crew, so definitely probably one of Kaido's like
What's Kaido's bounty?
main dudes. Yeah, I don't know if we've ever got straight up like what the emperor's bounties are or were or whatever. I'm sure at a
Did
certain
just
point they gave
stop?
up.
Yeah.
Like yeah, at a certain point you get so high up that it's just like whatever. But yeah, Jack is unfortunately not to be fucked with. He's pretty fucking lame, but
He's out of
Whatever.
there now though, right? We like got word that he's not.
he's not on here anymore. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's not here anymore, and we still
He was
are
like
somehow.
almost dead or
I don't know.
dying or.
We were the
something like that?
saviors still somehow. You know, like they still consider us the
Oh,
saviors.
that's right.
So
Wonder what happened.
somewhere we come into play here. I just don't know quite where.
Yeah, where's Sanji?
And I think this started because this is the very start of it. This started before we got there.
Oh,
So we're
dude.
about to pull up and like
I totally forgot that it was before we got there.
yeah, they said it when they had gotten there. It had been going on for like a couple days already or something like that. they
Because
said.
when Beppo showed up, I was like looking for Law in the
oh
crew.
yeah.
And then I was like,
Yeah.
I wonder where he's at. He's probably being sneaky somewhere, but he wasn't even there
No,
yet.
we're all a few days behind. Yeah,
I'm
this is
a little
the
confused.
time's getting a little.
I
yeah.
saw Cat Viper and it just
Yeah, I think
hit
this
something
is
in my
like
brain.
this is like 2 weeks ago when this happened. They
Yeah.
said, and then Sanji maybe stopped at like 10 days. They said it went on for a few days. So I don't know. But Cat Viper, awesome. We got to
Love
see
him.
more of him.
Love him. Love him
Yeah.
to death.
I'm hoping he doesn't get his ass whooped. We haven't seen him since.
We know he's alive though.
We do know he's left, yeah. So he's good. Maybe we like, I mean, maybe we're just battling for like a few days and then we show up. That's a pretty intense battle. We keep tagging each other in,
Yeah,
fighting
maybe.
Jack, and Jack doesn't even lose fucking sleep.
Maybe he's kind of down and out right now. Down bad.
Down bad.
Maybe
but okay.
they're both recovering.
Yeah, I mean, it would have been good though if like I know we're on this agreement, but like y'all pull a night shift, we get a tag team this guy. But I don't know. Whatever. I don't live in Zoe, so they got their own.
I want to know what
system.
happened between them.
I
you
know. I mean, they seem like both pretty. Like I feel like he would be a fun guy to talk to though. They'd be both fun guys. They'd get along. So I feel like I don't know what happened. I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll
I
have
want
to-
to though.
yeah.
I want to.
We'll have to wait and see. Let's just hop on to the next. Let's
Yeah.
see more of this Cat Viper. Yeah, there we go. Went on for
Golly.
5 days, man. That's pretty intense, dude. Damn, with this pipe, dude.
In flip flops.
In flip flops. Oh, shit.
Look at him, dude.
He's going.
Ooh.
Damn. Ooh, shit.
Chocolate to the face. Oh shit, dude. Gonna pop a blood vessel. Look at him, he's tired as hell.
Yeah.
Here he
And
comes.
we're back.
Rested.
Damn.
Damn.
Okay, Duke came out swinging, dude. We needed a good sleep.
I kind of love that.
It's pretty crazy.
Oof.
Damn. Oh. Oh, damn. Fucking
Yep.
rude, dude.
I mean, Kaido, you know?
Damn.
Get pissed. What a coward, dude.
Yeah. Damn. Damn.
Where's Cat Viper? Wait, what'd he
What?
say?
You noticed when he was reading Jack's obituary? Remember, because like they put it out and
Oh
they
yeah,
didn't know if he was
weren't-
really dead.
yeah.
Yeah.
I need a welfare check on my mints.
Deep connection. True. In a roundabout way. That's how we're the saviors.
I love that angle.
Oh, damn.
You never hear that anymore.
Yeah. Damn, dude, I like Sanji's fucking drip. She evaluated that situation quickly.
Love it. Such a cool name.
Yeah. Somebody help Pedro, man.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Took his leg.
Damn. Oh, shit.
His arm.
Damn, dude. An arm and a leg.
Jack can go fuck. Tired of him. I'm
You
so
can go
tired of him.
fuck.
Oh, no. He needs to die. I hate to say it.
I hate to wish death upon a
That's
person,
a
but
dead man.
well,
right
supposedly he's dead. I'm gonna be honest. He's not dead. With the people that were on the, who was on the boat? Oh well, we did have, we did have Fujitora. What's the old lady's name?
Oh,
Suguri or something like that.
yeah.
We have a retired.
There's quite a few people on
Yeah.
that boat.
So, I mean, it was a tough boat. So, like, he did try to. I just wonder if they like. He said he had a close connection with Daffy, too. So, kind of interesting. I wonder. Is it just because we were selling like weapons to them and stuff and devil fruits? Like, is it a close business relationship, or is it something even more? They never just say stuff in One Piece, so I do
Yeah.
feel like like all this whole maybe he's murdered, maybe not, maybe he's alive. It's gonna probably mean something down the line. Just can't really tell what the fuck that is yet.
I don't know, but I'm pissed that he hurt our boys,
Dude, really? I mean,
the dog and the cat.
I've seen a man fight with one leg. I've seen a man fight with one arm. So I do know we could continue, but damn,
That's just rude.
that's just fucked up, man. I guess we had no idea. We hadn't seen Duke below the waist in bed here, so this boy missing a leg, missing an arm. Fuck, that sucks. Yeah, Jack is terrible. He's the worst. And then it's just like, yeah, such scumbags to just be like, I'm getting bored now. Just drop the fucking nuke on him, basically. Drop the gas on him.
Hate him. I hate him, and I could tell Luffy's getting
Yeah, he's getting
fired
heated.
up.
Yeah, he's getting heated. Because he already likes these people. He likes the Mink tribe already.
Yeah.
And so I guess I was completely wrong then. I thought we were kind of onto it, and I thought Sanji was like, "I'm here." We were the reason why they left, but no, they just left for the fuck of. They left because of us taking down Daffy and him being transported. So we
Very indirect.
very indirect saviors, but saviors nonetheless. We'll take the credit for it. But yeah, damn, just by pure luck, dude, pure luck for real. Yeah, that's about it. Just bummer. Just a
Yeah.
bummer. But we're just about done now with that side story. I guess we're gonna finally now get to see maybe where and why Sanji left, because that's really the only other unanswered part here, and that's it. So, yeah, let's just keep on going here. Thank you guys as always for dropping by. Give us a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't hit the notification bell. In the void anime,
Ash.
Joey Bra.